These are the elevators in the Library of Michigan. Very bright. And the other ones go up to 5. On the panel, this one's kind of loose. These are slow. The light in here, oh, it's really bright. I almost have to put my sunglasses on. Oh yeah, that's better. My phone doesn't like to focus on that indicator. Whoa. These are a little, yeah, bounce. Down here is the balcony. Red lantern. Going down to 1. So you can see here, the panel's a little bit loose. Ooh. Same exact ones as the museum elevators, just brighter. Here is the directory. Phone doesn't like to. Got it. Open. 2,100 pound capacity. Whoa, I wasn't ready. It's probably gonna bounce again. So we can catch it a little bit. There it goes. And 2, 3, that's it.